came into this workshop, the subject matter was very interesting because it was about homeless people, it was about welfare, so it wasn't really like a normal project where it's very corporate, it's about the money. But this time it's really about the space and the people. To do that, we started with a very big site model, a 1:75 scale site model. And then we made all sorts of paper models. I think both architect students and engineering students also did those models, not just architecture students making the models. So everyone had a play.
When we were designing, we were focusing on the corners, the yards, the gardens, and thinking of what we can give for the children and the elderly. So like a shelter or a slide or a place where they can play and climb and up and down. This combination work with the engineering students, we understand that they are thinking of whether this can be built, and they also have this kind of imagination, this kind of creativity to design a structure like that. So we are actually inspiring each other.
And I think this kind of workshop is good in that sense because I think the studio environment, we don't really have that opportunity to do this constantly changing all site models. We have a certain deadline, so we have to meet certain criteria, the studio environment. So I think here, it's a very good environment to be like a bit carefree and just constantly making iteration and just let the mind go wild and just be creative.
It is really nice to attend this workshop.